everyone, let's dive right in. You can see I stained the first page with my second drawing, like, nice work. Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching. I just wanted to say, like, sketching is a process and a sketchbook is a really good representing material because you can see ugly sketches and you can see beautiful masterpieces right inside. I hope you enjoy and I hope you take this as a lesson that you have to learn before you can really make something great. So enjoy the video. These colors were really a test, didn't work out, but still nice. And I'm just gonna flip through, like, this is the first try, second try, and like again, first try, second try. I wanted to theme this sketchbook like using a ballpoint pen, but you can see I used a little paint there and here and just to add some color. And at the end I will move from a ballpoint pen to a normal pencil just because I felt like it, I guess. So some handsome boys, and I really like the colors of this one. Like, it's like day and night in one drawing. Love it. I tried some different stuff also just to, let my imagination go. And I was really just, my aim was to really learn portraits and like different positions, and woman head, man head, like you can see the planes practice, some handsome dudes, like a lot of handsome dudes. Again, like a practice of planes for the 3D of your head. And then some retries, some color editing because it wasn't enough or something. And this is one of my favorite, like this one. Love it. And I also love like the colors of the lady's hair right here. And yeah, some more ladies in the house. I also like this position, like with the shoulder back. And I'm still like practicing a lot, so sometimes it's just blurry, or the pages really match, like this one. I love to go through the sketchbook because, it's something really nice to evaluate yourself and how you've grown. Sometimes you make mistakes or you are Halloween themed. And sometimes you start a sketch and you don't finish it and you smudge the next page. Like, no, that was a pretty drawing, but still. And then you add colors and you make a sea monster out of it, or you just leave the sketch or just use paint and it's perfect. Like, and you use paint and it's like horrifying. So it's like two-sided. And these are some sketches I made for the Christmas cards, but then I decided to use other IDs and some hand practice because that was random and I really wanted to. And you see I used pencil right now. It's a good basic. Like with pen you have to think way differently because you can't erase it, and pencil is usually nicer to start with. So here we are in the end. Thank you for watching so much. If you liked it, please like the video, and if you want to see more, subscribe because I'll be back.